About to make some ribs right now, recording us.
Who's all dirty, Daddy? Oh, super dirty right
Here's Deezy. Here's Rocky. Sitting next to me.
True pig is
We're about to eat some badass ribs, and Rocky's gonna get hooked up too. Got the music playing.
Now when they talking about coming through, but he's gonna feel like a fucking 3 and shit.
Nah, I'll be asleep by 3. Well, I'll be awake, but I'll be probably like on the internet or watching TV or something. Got the fire burning here. Fucking drop my phone in there.
Yeah, nigga. Over.
Stick my hands in the fire. Oh no. Too fucking hot. I got some mesquite right there. Got some in the basket. I jacked this from Family Dollar. Yeah, Rocky chewing on vulture bones or whatever, something.
That's all this shit, man. Hey, you know he's just a kid, dog. That's all he is. Doesn't know what he's gonna say, like, what I do.
He picked up the bone again and proceeding to chew on it again. And
Never seen it.
he's like, get the fuck away from me. I'm trying to chew a bone here. The sun is setting. I thought the Spurs played today, but I guess not.
Sit down and drink.
Fucking shit.
And they play tomorrow or something.
Ooh, fire getting hotter.
Hey, do you know how the Wizards been playing or not?
What?
You know how the Wizards have been playing lately?
Wizards suck dick and shit. We're gonna whoop them tomorrow. I might even buy a bottle of liquor and shit. Fucking watch the Wizards get their butts whooped by the San Antonio Spurs. Tim Duncan list. And Duncan's not even hurt.
That nigga ain't in it? He's not in there?
No, he's been out for the last, 3 or 4 games or something.
For what? Rest of it?
Supposedly his legs fucked up.
They want them.
Here, let me get a picture, a video capture of you and him before it gets fucking dark.
Hey, you wanna have that? I quit.